How to recover Bybit account. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to recover Bybit account. In order to recover the Bybit account, you have to follow the steps. First of all, go ahead and open up your application, and when you open up your application, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So here, go ahead and press the login button, and as per the login, you could just go ahead and type in the information, that is your email address or a phone number registered with it, and you could go ahead and type in the password. And as per the password, you just press the forgot password button. Now type in the registered email address and click on reset password. As you've done that, a verification code will be sent to your registered email, which you have to enter it right on this field. So as you can see that I've already received the verification code, so I'm gonna go ahead and type in that and click the confirm button when you're done. Now you could go ahead and reset your password, so type in a new one and confirm as well, and press on reset, and you'll be directed to the page where you have to go ahead and log in. So log in with your updated or newly created password. So that is how you can recover your Bybit account. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.